What if I told you there was a supplement that could help improve your brain function, support healthy aging, increase muscle growth, improve exercise performance, boost energy production, and potentially even help protect your body against disease? Well, people think creatine is only for bodybuilders, but the latest research shows that creatine may be one of the most important supplements for nearly everyone across the board, including older adults, busy professionals, athletes, and people who simply want more energy and a healthier brain. In fact, one of the biggest mistakes I see people make is avoiding creatine because they think that it's only for gaining muscle. Today, I'm going to show you why that is completely wrong. We're going to cover what creatine actually does inside your body, the surprising brain benefits that nobody talks about, and how creatine supports fat loss and metabolism, the anti-aging benefits that are backed by science, and also who should be taking it. And at the end of this video, I'll reveal one form of creatine I personally recommend and the biggest mistake many people make while taking it. So let's go ahead and dive in. But before we do, I'm Dr. Zyrowski. Thanks for hanging out with me in another video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a natural health video again. Now, first, let's answer the basic question. What exactly is creatine? Creatine is a naturally occurring compound that's found in your muscles and your brain. And the body actually makes creatine on its own from amino acids. You also get it from foods like red meat, wild game, salmon, sardines, but here's the problem. Most people don't consume enough of the dietary creatine to actually maximize its benefits, and that's where the supplementation actually comes in. Creatine's primary job is helping your cells produce energy. I talk about this all the time because as we age, our body starts to need more energy than it's actually producing, and this is where things actually get very interesting. Every cell in your body runs on a molecule called ATP. And stick with me here, we're not going to get too far into the weeds. Think of ATP as your body's energy currency. The problem is ATP gets used up rapidly, and creatine acts like a battery backup for it. It helps regenerate ATP faster so your cells can actually continue producing energy. And this is why athletes will experience better performance, increased muscle strength, more power, faster recovery. But here's what most people actually miss. This energy boost isn't limited to just muscles. Your brain also relies heavily on ATP, which leads us to perhaps the most exciting benefit at all. And remember that in order to heal, your body also needs energy. So this can offer healing potential across the entire body. But let's get back to your brain because creatine actually supercharges your brain. And this is where the science becomes so fascinating. Your brain consumes approximately 20% of your body's total energy. And because creatine improves cellular energy production, it can actually enhance cognitive performance and mental function. In a review published in the journal Experimental Gerontology, researchers found that creatine supplementation improves memory, attention, and also cognitive processing, particularly during periods of stress, sleep deprivation, and mental fatigue. For many of this sounds all too familiar. If you're a parent, if you're maybe early on in your career, maybe you're in school studying, these are problems that many people face. And by the way, I'll put a link to the creatine that I approve of, that I personally use, down in the description below. It's what I use clinically, and it ships directly from the health center. So you can get a canister, you can get it in convenient stick packs, it's dosed properly, it's ready to go. So check the link in the description below if you're interested in utilizing creatine, and you can also read more on it there. Now, here's the thing. Most people are looking for expensive nootropics, brain supplements, while completely overlooking one of the most studied cognitive support nutrients available. Several studies have found that creatine can be especially beneficial during periods of mental fatigue when the brain's energy demands are increasing. You're seeing a sequence here that's showing us if we are mentally fatigued or if our body is under stress, creatine actually helps greatly. This becomes even more important as we age because aging brains often struggle with energy production. Creatine can help support this process. But wait until you hear this next benefit. Creatine can help slow age-related muscle loss. One of the biggest predictors of longevity is muscle mass. You've heard me talk about this so many times. Clinically, when I see patients, one of the biggest struggles that the elderly have is that their leg muscles get weak. They have a hard time walking. They start shuffling. They start tripping. And then, of course, there's the risk of fall. So age-related muscle loss is a big deal to all of us. So one of the biggest predictors of longevity is muscle mass. It's not cholesterol. It's not calories. It's muscle. As we age, we naturally lose muscle tissue. This process is referred to scientifically as sarcopenia. And it's one of the primary reasons people lose strength, mobility, and independence later on in life. Remember, you got to keep those legs strong. Research consistently shows that creatine combined with resistance training helps preserve muscle mass, improve lean body mass, improve your strength, your physical performance. It helps across the board. This makes creatine one of the most important supplements for healthy aging. And it's also important to understand it's very inexpensive. In other words, creatine isn't just a muscle building supplement, it's a longevity supplement. And if you're like me, you care so much about longevity. I see so many people struggling clinically every day. So many of the patients that I take care of, they're struggling with their health, especially as they age, and nobody's giving them this kind of information. So longevity means a lot to me, not only personally, but in my ability to help other people. Now, let's take a look how creatine actually supports fat loss. And now, before you get typing in the comments below, no, creatine is not a fat burner. It can absolutely, though, help support fat loss, and here's why. Studies published in the Journal of International Society of Sports Nutrition show that creatine can improve exercise performance and help increase lean muscle mass. When people take creatine, they often train harder, recover faster, build more lean muscle, and more muscle means higher metabolic rate. The more lean tissue you carry, the more calories you burn throughout the day. Additionally, many people notice improved exercise capacity, allowing them to burn more energy during their workouts. The result, better body composition over time, less fat, more muscle, and that's exactly what most people are looking for. So understand that this scenario does require exercise in order to become a reality. But here's another way that creatine can actually support fat loss. Research shows us that creatine supports blood sugar health. And this is a benefit that doesn't get enough attention. Research published in amino acids found that creatine supplementation combined with exercise may improve glucose metabolism and also insulin sensitivity. Better glucose utilization can contribute to improved insulin sensitivity, better metabolic health, improved energy levels, and considering that metabolic dysfunction is becoming one of the biggest problems in modern society, this is actually a very exciting area of research, because you have to remember that this metabolic issue can lead to high blood pressure and high cholesterol and cardiovascular risk as you age, and obesity and fat gain and all the other things. So therefore, getting your insulin sensitivity and metabolic health under control is very important. Now let's talk about the benefit creatine is famous for: strength, power, performance. The 2022 position stand from the International Society of Sports Nutrition concluded that creatine monohydrate is the most effective nutritional supplement currently available for increasing high-intensity exercise capacity and lean body mass. And it's important to remember that this isn't going to turn you into a bodybuilder. Hundreds of studies have demonstrated improvements in strength output, sprint performance, resistance training performance, muscle recovery. This occurs because creatine increases phosphocreatine stores in the muscle tissue, allowing your body to regenerate ATP more rapidly. So what does that all translate to? You can often perform more reps, lift heavier weights, and recover faster. And those small improvements add up dramatically over time. Here is the favorite benefit of mine when it comes to creatine overall. It helps protect your brain. And this is one of the most exciting areas of ongoing research. Scientists are investigating creatine's role in supporting neurological health because brain cells have enormous energy demands. Researchers are currently exploring creatine's potential role in supporting healthy brain aging and neurological resilience. A review published in Nutrients highlighted creatine's potential role in supporting brain energy, metabolism, and neurological function. And it all comes back to one thing: energy production. Healthy cells require energy. Creatine helps support that process. So who should take creatine? Who is going to benefit the most? And the answer actually might surprise you. Creatine can be used at any age level, but is especially useful for athletes, people who are trying to lose weight, individuals who are wanting more muscle mass, vegetarians and vegans just because you're missing out on so much in your diet, stressed professionals such as even moms, dads, anyone seeking cognitive support, anyone who is focused on healthy aging. As I mentioned earlier, creatine is one of the top things on my list as a longevity protocol. In my opinion, as it stands today, creatine belongs in the same conversation as vitamin D, magnesium, omega-3 fats whenever you're discussing foundational wellness. And like I said earlier, I'll put a link to the creatine from the health center that I use below. It's high quality, it's NSF certified, it's effective, it's affordable, and it works well. Now, for most people, you're going to just need 5 grams of creatine per day. And the key isn't taking excessive amounts of creatine. The key with creatine is consistency, especially over time. So what you want to do is you want to start taking it every day. You want to have it start saturating your tissues, and over time, the benefits will start to accumulate. Creatine is one of the safest, most extensively researched and studied supplements ever. If you're currently ignoring creatine because you think it's only for bodybuilders, I will tell you that you are completely missing out. The science has moved so far beyond the gym. So I think that creatine may play a potential role in improving your life. If you love this video, I'm Dr. Nick Zyrowski, and I think you'll really love this video next.